Hi there, my name is Syed, and in this video we will learn about LibreOffice. It is a free open source office. Office mean that you get to download the whole package, the suite of softwares, including Write, Calc, and Impress, which is similar to MS Office. Where you install MS Office, you get Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So it have the same softwares, and maybe some softwares are more. We will take a look at them in the video. So let's get started. It is a successor to OpenOffice, where you have probably seen. If you're not, then it's openoffice.org is the previous OpenOffice software out there for the office, and LibreOffice their successor. So how do we install this? If I go to the download button up here on the top, and here we can see download LibreOffice. It is available for Mac, Linux, and Windows, and it is also available in portable version as well. So if I click on LibreOffice, here you can see we have a different versions are available. You can get to choose your system. For example, if I click up here, Linux 64-bit, and there are different flavors of Linux, Mac OS, Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. You can download that, and after you download, there are some instructions are available as well. So if I go to the how to install, so that is very nice of LibreOffice to provide step-by-step instructions. So Windows main program, you can go, this is like where you download the button up here, they give you instructions, and there is a screenshot what you do after one step, second step, third step. So all of the instructions are available step by step. You can follow them and install that. So after you install this, what you get in the package is you get Word like software called LibreOffice Write, and here I have written some text up here. You can choose different fonts. You can pretty much do the same thing as you do on MS Word. There might be some features different from MS Office, and what I like about this is a PDF. You can directly export to PDF, and there are multiple different versions you can download and save. You can also save your file as a MS Office version type format, so .doc or docx. So that is there. So that is a Microsoft Office Word like software called LibreOffice Write, and so that is there. So next software is Libreoffice Calc. So that is basically very similar to Excel, where you do the same functionality as we can do in Excel. Sheet 1 sheets are there. Pretty much you can see on the top all of these functions are available as well. You can do filter, you can do all of these things are available, and LibreOffice Calc. So next stop is this basically is called LibreOffice Impress, which is similar to PowerPoint. So as you can see that I have written some notes up here. LibreOffice MS Word is equal to Write, Excel is equal to Calc, and PowerPoint is equal to Impress. So this is a LibreOffice on right hand side, and this is MS Office softwares. So that is available for anyone to download and install and use this. So in addition to these three software I have found in this office, you get LibreOffice Math, where you can choose different mathematical functions and functions. So you can take a look at this as well. This come with that. And if I go to the next stop is Libreoffice Draw, you get this software as well, where you can do graphic designing, and you can basically do the this function as well with this. So Libreoffice Draw is available as well, where you get to do graphic designing for your office suite. So and next stop is, and this is the last, you get LibreOffice Base, which is basically where you can set up your database tables, and you can design queries and so on and so forth. So that is also available with this suite, because MS Office come with the Access database. It is similar to that. So LibreOffice Base. So this is a basically high level overview. If you like, please leave a comment and subscribe. And what do you think about LibreOffice? Thank you very much.